Your boss sends a Slack message at 3 p.m. Hey, quick thing. And whatever you were doing, you stop. Your group chat has 47 unread messages. Your colleague needs 5 minutes. By the way, it's always 5 minutes. And before you even realize it, it's 6 p.m. And your actual work? It's still open. Still on line 1, but you didn't lose the day to laziness. Rather, you lose it to everyone else's urgencies. You've already heard of the Eisenhower Matrix. The urgent versus not urgent. Important versus not important. Most people use it on their own to-do list, but that's not wrong. It's just small. Because the real version of this tool isn't to sort tasks, but it's a request filter. And you're not bad at prioritizing, but you're bad at recognizing when you're executing someone else's priorities. Let's understand this tool fast. It has 4 boxes to it. First box, top left, the urgent and important, do it now. Second box, top right, important, not urgent, schedule it. Third box, bottom left, urgent, not important, delegate, or say no. Fourth box, bottom right, neither, delete it. That's the whole thing. Now here's the flip most people miss. Every request that lands in your day fits one of these boxes. Your boss's quick thing is his quadrant 1, but for you, it's quadrant 3. Your group chat is someone else's quadrant 1, but almost never yours. The Matrix doesn't just tell you what to do, it tells you when someone else is drafting you into their urgency without asking permission. Let's take a real scenario. Your friend texts you, hey, can you check this email before I send it? 5 minutes. It feels urgent because there's a person waiting, but run it through the Matrix and see if, is it urgent to you? No deadline on your end? Is it important to your goals today? No, that's quadrant 4 for you. And the right answer to quadrant 4 is not now, maybe later, or honestly, no. Not because you're cold, but every yes to their quadrant 4 is a no to something that actually belongs to you.